Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim the Premier League Mixed Fashion Player, one player of the Conductor chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this a heroes event and you can jump into the Conductor chapters. So all you have to do in this Conductor chapter is challenge yourself in these notes. You can challenge skill games and also match game to obtain the Conductor tokens. You can use Conductor tokens. As you can see, I already got 95. You can use to open this hero's reward path. So in this case, guaranteed reward contain 87 plus OVR player. This is a part of Premier League Mixed Fashion player, untradeable player. You cannot sell this player. If you're lucky, you can get this player, one of these players. So with only 60 tokens, you can open this hero's reward path. Tap to open, and let's see, we got player from Africa here, right wing back, play for Latin Town. We got Kabore with 89 OVR. So you can use this player into your squad, your club, or you can exchange this player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. Enjoy the game.